Hi, hello friends. I am Srikar Chakrala from Srikar Creative Works. చాలా రోజులైంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ వీడియో పెట్టక కొంచెం మంచి వీడియో ఏం చేయాలని ఆలోచిస్తూ కొంచెం డిలే చేశాను. అండ్ నౌ టుడే మై వీడియో ఈజ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద కెరీర్ ప్లానింగ్. ఎందుకనంటే ప్రజెంట్ ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఎగ్జామ్ సీజన్ వచ్చేసింది. అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ ఎండింగ్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో మై టాపిక్ ఈజ్ వాట్ next after the 10th class, intermediate, graduation, whatever it may be. So today my topic is what next after 10th class. So what next after 10th class అనేటప్పటికి ఇక్కడ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఒక చిన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే ఒక చిన్న సర్వే తోటి చూసుకొని తయారు చేసుకున్న ఒక మెటీరియల్ తయారు చేశాను. సో ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విచ్ ఐ గ్యాదర్డ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షేర్ విత్ యూ ఆల్ పీపుల్. So preferably it is useful for the 10th class children, those who are writing exams right now. So please, all my subscribers, those who are having the 10th class studying children in your family, please help them by sharing this video to them. So ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం చూస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ 10th class what are the different types of streams we can have and what are the education modes. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ అందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారంటే 10th తర్వాత ఓన్లీ ఇంటర్ లేదా పాలిటెక్నిక్ ఇలా కొన్ని అనుకుంటారు. బట్ దీంట్లో యాక్చువల్గా చూస్తే మనకి చాలా బ్రాంచెస్ అండ్ చాలా స్ట్రీమ్స్ ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో మీకు ఇక్కడ చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 10th ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్. బాగా నేను క్లియర్గా చెప్తున్నాను ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఒక్కసారి జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. After 10th, intermediate 2 years. If you want to go with the polytechnic, it is 3 years. Or else next ITI, it is also 2 years. Other than this, paramedical courses, this is for 3 years. Apart from all these, we have some other courses also which we can say as called as a short term courses. ఈ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ కోర్సెస్ వచ్చేసి మీకు మినిమం 6 months, మ్యాక్సిమం 1 year ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. టు ఆల్ మై ద 10th class చిల్డ్రన్ ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్, ప్రిఫరబుల్లీ కీపింగ్ వ్యూ ఆఫ్ దామ్. అయితే ఫస్ట్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద ఇంటర్మీడియట్. ఇన్ ద ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వీ హ్యావ్ సైన్స్ గ్రూప్, కామర్స్ గ్రూప్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ద ఆర్ట్స్ గ్రూప్, అండ్ ఆల్సో అదర్స్ ఆల్సో విల్ బీ దేర్ విచ్ వీ కెన్ సే అదర్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. Coming to the science, we have NPC, BIPC and also library science. And in commerce group, which is related to the accounts, it is there we have CEC. Coming to the arts, we have MEC and HEC. I think so, of course now HEC is not so it is not able to have in all the colleges. Very rare it is going to be, I think so, in my experience. So like this, it is the related to intermediate. Apart from this, others, those who want to go with the any other craft like works or any other handmade works related, you have beauty and cosmetology courses are there. And jewelry designing is there, fashion designing is there, and also the photography is also there. This is the one of these things. This is you can see after 10th class. Now coming to the polytechnic, for this polytechnic the main qualification is, the basic qualification is 10th class, and you have to write an entrance exam for this, which is conducted by the state government. Overall exam will be there, a common entrance test will be there. Generally we will say it is called as SEEP or PolyCET, we will say it is. So in this polytechnic, same like the engineering, it's a diploma course actually. You have different n number of streams in that. I will read the list of them slowly, one by one I will read. Those who are interested in the polytechnic, you can take this data also. Please write down if you want, anybody interested in polytechnic. It is for 3 years duration. There is mechanical, computer science, civil, triple E, IT, automobile, electronics and communication, biotechnology, electrical, chemical, aeronautical, agriculture, architecture, biomedical and marine technology, mining technology, leather technology, textile technology, petroleum technology, plastic technology, and last it is a rubber technology. These are the different streams you can take in Polytechnic, which is duration of 3 years. It is a diploma course. Apart from that, ITI, it is 2 years, which you can do even after 10th class. In this ITI, you have different types of courses, same like the Polytechnic only, but a little difference is there in this. What is that means? Fitter, computer, and in the civil draftsman it's a draughtman. And coming to the mechanical, in this also you have again different branches in ITI. That is, in the mechanical stream you have radio and TV, motor vehicle, diesel, marine, all these will be there. Then coming to the next is electrician and plumber, surveyor, electrical, machine tools, welder, fireman, cookery and paint technology. These are the different courses of ITI. Don't feel bored about the video, children. This is I am giving you for the planning of your career. Today the first video related to your career is what next after the 10th class. After studying the 10th class, what are the courses you have to choose? It means depending upon your availability. Next, coming to the paramedical, it is also 3 years course. In this you have different types of medical courses, children. Mainly for the lab technician and all other things you have the courses in this. In this what you can able to do that just I will list out the courses names. It is DLMT, DHFM, DOA, DOTE. DOTE means Diploma in Operation Theatre it is. So like that is Health Inspector and also Sanitary Inspector. This is very much health related stream it is, the paramedical, not completely medical but it's a part of it. And coming to the last stream, that is short term courses. Already in the beginning of the video I mentioned you people, that is it is about the time period duration will be 6 months or 1 year. Here you will have mainly about the computer based courses. These are technically it will be, I will list out the courses names. Those are interested you can note down this. That is DTP, PGDCA, it is post graduation diploma in computer applications. Next, Tally, this is related to the accounts it is, and internet, graphics, animation, web designing and cyber security. These are the different courses of short term courses which duration is 6 months to maximum 1 year it is. Okay, children, once again I will summarize the courses. After 10th what you can able to do, you can go for intermediate or polytechnic or ITI or paramedical or the short term courses. Okay, children. And now coming to the examinations, for going for APRJC, that is previously it was there on the name of this, when the combined state it was, it is Andhra Pradesh Residential Junior College it is. For this the website is www.aprs.cgg.gov.in. Once again I will repeat it, www.aprs.cgg.gov.in. For Polytechnic entrance, the website is www.appolytechnic, APPOLITECHNIC, AP Polytechnic, POLI children, not POLY, just look into that, .NIC. Once again I will repeat, www.appolytechnic.nic. Okay children, these are the websites for writing the exams of after the 10th class. And I think so children, once again I wish you all the best for your 10th class exam. And after that, go through the video once and don't feel bored. Again, in the middle of the video also I was saying you that being a 10th class children, don't feel bored, and you have to have some life aim and ambition what you want to become. Based on that, you choose the courses, and don't have any confusion. And further, if you need any guidelines, you approach and you go to your seniors, or else your teachers, or else your relatives, those who are having a good knowledge about the career planning and what they are doing according to your life ambition profession. Go to the professionals and take the suggestions of them children. I think so this video will help you a little bit in planning about your future, I think so. Okay children, thank you, all the best. In the next video I am going to do the video for the intermediate children. It means, as I said, after 10th you can do intermediate. So after 10th, those who completed the intermediate, for them what you can do after intermediate, what next, that related to that I will discuss in detailed manner to have a plan of your career. Okay children, all the best, God bless you, love you all. Please subscribe my channel. Those who are first time viewing my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that all my videos notifications are going to be coming to you children. And please watch my channel videos which are going to be helpful you a lot in your lifetime. Okay, thank you. Once again I am saying you my channel, Srikar Creative Works. Okay children, love you all, bye, have a nice day.